因为我觉得现在的社会，尤其是我跟Cindy常常去 cafe 啊，去餐厅啊，吃到糖的这种机会是非常的 common 的。
Everyone likes a lot of delicious desserts that come with sugar, but it's very important that we must also remember it causes problems such as diabetes and obesity as well.
本身是因为我是容易胖的体质，所以本身是比较少吃淀粉之类的，因为淀粉、米饭、面都是比较多糖分的，高糖分。
Siapa je tak suka sugar kan? Semua suka benda-benda manis. Macam sebelum ni kan, Amy suka sangat makan manis. Itu yang berat badan jadi berat. Tapi the end of the day, benda tu memang tak sihat. So macam mana pun korang kena less sugar. Start dengan makan buah-buahan. Lepas tu yang banyak gula tu kita kena paksa kurangkan untuk jaga kesihatan kita.
Hey, I'm a yoga teacher, a personal trainer and a massage therapist. For me, I really watch my carbs intakes and also sugars.
如果摄取太多的糖分是会降慢我们的新陈代谢，所以当抗糖了1个礼拜过后，其实会很明显，身体很明显的有改变。
If you want to lose weight very fast, you drink your coffee without sugars, and then you will notice it in 1 or 2 weeks' time. Low sugar diets and low carbs diet really works.
Good health.
It's very important for all of us to be careful and always have a balance. And of course, mixing all of this with exercise so that we can have our best and healthy lifestyle.